Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I am Shigona Bold and today we are going to be doing a very simple cut crease. So if you would like to see that and want to see how this video is gonna go, please keep on watching. So also as well, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also click on the like button if you feel like you're gonna like this video or if you like this video. So for your eyeshadows to stick, you want to always go in with a base. Could be a primer, or I usually use a concealer, guys, or a foundation that is thick. For me, one foundation that I really like, oh my god, it's so dirty, guys, it's disgusting and it's finished. So one foundation that I like to use is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Another concealer that I really like to go in with is this concealer right here. I'm sure you have seen it multiple of times if you've been in my channel, and it's gone. Like, guys, it's time to stock up. So right now I'm just gonna like base my eyes with this foundation. The color that I'm using is caramel. Usually when I go in with colors, like colorful looks, I try to make sure that my base is a little bit white, or what is it, or it's a little bit too lighter so that my eyeshadows can show. So right now I don't really have a problem with this foundation. That is because I'm going in with nudes, or rather browns. So I'll be honest with you, I really like Hermes Fleur browns. They're really beautiful. Another option that you can go with is this palette right here. It's the All Eyes on Me. If you haven't seen the review on this palette, I'll just put it somewhere here so that you guys can see like what I think about it. I actually have two of them and they're both from Discount. So today I am going in with this True Complexion palette. It's the light to medium contour palette. Yes, a contour palette. In this channel we use almost everything that we have for almost everything. So if you don't have a blusher, you know that we're using our eyeshadows for that. So for this look as a transition, because I love this brown, so I'm just gonna take Scalp. You always want to tap tap tap. You want to use less at a time. So I like to first, you know, just put the colors just like this, like on my eye, guys. Also, you may want to wait for your base to be a little bit tacky. I don't have so many brushes, I'll be honest. I'll be very honest with you guys. I don't have brushes at all, but I make it work. This channel, you already know the memo. We make it work, okay? So what I do, I actually take something like this and just scratch any colors that are there. But for now, since the other side is clean, we're just gonna use the other side for the next color. So now we are going to the Hermes Fleur Cosmetics palette. So another tip that I would tell you guys about about cut creases: a darker shade on your crease line helps define your cut crease. I tell you, if now I'm to go in with a concealer and start cutting the crease, so what helps my cut creases to pop a little bit is to place a darker shade, or a very darker shade, to my transitioning colors. So I want it to like pick up a little bit when I'm busy blending. I don't know if you get it. So for instance, now I'm going in with this color on the Hermes Fleur Cosmetic, and it's called Contour It. It's like a darker brown to what I have already. I actually like to go above my crease line in a way. Like, I just like to exaggerate that. Oh my god, I forgot an important step, guys, because I normally do my eyeshadows before foundation, so I don't have to struggle like this. To avoid fallouts, always just put like what is this, like a powder underneath your eyes, so that you can avoid fallout, so that you can just brush it out like that. You guys are not gonna take me serious. So I'm going in with the color Contour It, and I'm just drawing like a half moon in a way. So now we're going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in color 30. Guys, I didn't realize that my video was muted. So yes, we're cutting our crease using that and a flat brush. Yo, I know this video is a mess, but this is just one of those days where your makeup is just not coming along. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Let's continue the video. So right now we are going to the Hermes Floor cosmetic palette, and I want to take this color called Milk. This color called Milk right here, and it looks like it's a white. I'm not sure if it's showing on cam. This is where maybe you may want to use this dense brush right here, the one that doesn't move. It also is a very good brush to do that, more especially if you are a beginner. But because this one is too big and I just want to finish quick, I'm just going to use it and just place my Milk right there. I love this shade, guys. It's so beautiful. Milk is beautiful. Guess what, you guys? I can't find my liner. Like, I can't find my eyeliner at all, but I have a plan. I guess. I think so. So here's my plan, is to actually draw my liner with a glitter. So unfortunately, we have to have a liner because the moon here is not cooperating. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX primer. I'm just gonna go in with this. This is by Signature. It's an eyeliner brush, and it looks something like that. It's so precise, like so small, you guys. I am just gonna like line my eye. So I'm more like drawing a wing liner, but I'm drawing it with glue. Okay, I'm drawing it with glitter. Glue and glitter. I hope this comes out wow, guys. Like, so what's going to happen, I'm gonna use this Sinful Colors glitter. It looks like that. It is in color, does it even have a color? Oh my god, everything is just feeling. So it's like in sort of, what color is this? Brown. I'm just gonna dip my brush in there and let's attempt the wings. So you just place the glitter right there. Just to have this wing going out like that. I want to bring this glitter towards the inner corner, you know, just to sort of extend it towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna like dot it right there and right here. Ooh, that's a lot. So now I'm just gonna go in with this Maybelline Falsies Volume Express. What is this called? Mascara. Ooh, the glitter is flying. I'm just gonna coat my lashes. Okay, let me just go and draw the other eye and I'll see you guys in a minute. So what I need to do is to fix the other eye to match the other eye. Like this one comes straight, so that means I have to also fix this one to come straight. Like having to match my eyes, like it's delaying me. None of us is perfect, okay? If this is not fixed after lashes, then I don't know what to do anymore. Then I don't know what to do anymore. Oh my god.
you guys, let me tell you something. I had guts to pause and, you know, just finish what I started. You know, I don't believe in quitting. But anyways, when I check the look, it's not that bad. I still feel like the eyes are not matching in a way. I don't know if I'm just extra, but the look is a bit okay. But anyways, yeah, this is how the look is looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, I didn't. But yeah, that is that. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.